Hello and welcome to a new video. So yeah, today I have a cake smash session, and it's not just any old cake smash session. Well, it is a cake smash session like I've probably done a little bit similar before, but this time the parents will be getting an album. I changed my packages, so they're a little bit more expensive, but they include a beautiful, high quality, professional, awesome album. So first I'm going to show you a little bit of the session, behind the scenes, final images, camera settings, all the stuff that you like, decor, setting up, and then I'm going to show you the album, what it looks like, and the way I package it. And I think it's beautiful, offering more, and I'm going to explain to you later why I think it's so cool. They're not the first who booked this new package. I have another session as well. I already did like 2 more sessions where the parents are getting an album, so I can show you a little bit of the other session maybe as well, and their album. And I've already had like bookings for newborn sessions as well, with the new price and the new package and including the album. It's always a bit exciting, well, nerve-wracking, I don't know, when you increase your prices, upgrade your packages, like are you still getting the same amount of bookings? In my case, I just went for it. I didn't really look at what others are doing, but I know it's still a fair price for what they're getting. Also because, of course, the album has a price, and the like actually making it, the time it costs, then shipping it to me, shipping it to the client. So yeah, I'm okay with it. I feel okay with this increasing price. So I might get fewer bookings, but that's okay. It's okay in my case, but of course that's personal for you. But I have not enough hours in a day sometimes, I feel, yeah, so for me it would be okay if I have 2 bookings less a week. So anyway, let's go. So today we're going for eucalyptus in a photo session. I have this beautiful cake. I'm going to show you later a little bit more. It has like kind of like white, very delicate ruffles on the side. I have here 4 wooden cake topper pins. They smell so good, like burnt wood. I got them here in the Netherlands at a company that does like laser engraving, so they made these. I was hoping they would be a little bit sturdier and thicker than the one I got previously on AliExpress. They're still pretty thin, as you can see. I have 4. So what I'm going to do, I have some glue here, and I'm going to glue 2 or 3 of them together so they don't break that easily, and I can hopefully like reuse them. It's not like the black is coming off or anything. I have some real eucalyptus. However, they don't always sell real eucalyptus like the whole year round where I live. So I got some fake eucalyptus as well that looks really real. It was a little bit more expensive, and then I can always use that throughout the year. For the portrait photos at the beginning, we're going to go for like creamy and soft. Well, the whole decor is going to be very simple and pure and delicate. And they do want to have like these wooden sticks with gold feathers and eucalyptus. So I'm going to see how I'm going to create something out of that. And get some pumpkins on the dark wood. So I'm just going to show you what I have, and show you some behind the scenes and camera settings and fun stuff. So this is the eucalyptus I got from the garden center. It is fake, but it looks pretty real. Okay, it wasn't that expensive. It was 10 euros, and it is from a brand called Silic KA or something, if I can read through the thing. This is what it looks like. Looks quite nice. I mean, it's still plasticky, but it's okay. And I can just pull off parts and place them on cakes and stuff. Also, it's nice so that the babies don't actually eat real cake, real eucalyptus. So here I have the decor with the pumpkins, and I got this really cute knitted sweater. But I actually want them to use it here in the creamy white decor. But it depends on what they bring themselves as well. I have the white bench for today instead of the brown one, and I might put on the flocati. It's still drying from mopping it. Okay, so now in the back, I don't know if I really like this, but it's what they requested. Wood in the back with the feathers, and then like some eucalyptus there as well, some fake eucalyptus. And then for now I here have the bench with the eucalyptus, but I think I'm gonna only put that thing there when he's eating the cake. So first I'm gonna remove it, just to have some neutral photos, and then the pumpkin photos. And now let's go to the cake and get the pin in there. I also have to glue the number 1. Okay, so in this case, if he breaks 2 of these things, it cost me like €9 because they're like $4.50 each. I really want to use them more often than just once. I can stick 2 together. It won't really break that easily. You really have to put a lot of force. 1 easily breaks. I think I'm just gonna paste 2 together. I'm always super clumsy, so I might glue my fingers together, but then at least we'll have it on camera. So let it dry a little bit. Let's see if I can glue my number 1 back together. I love eucalyptus. Okay, so let's decorate the cake. I also, in this case, ordered some fondant leaves, like gold leaves, and we can use that on top as well. But I'm not going to do it yet. I'm going to discuss it with the parents if they like it. So at least I'm going to stick my double 1 in. And guess what? It survived. The cake topper survived. He did pull on it. So I was a little bit worried he would break it. I washed it off, so it's a little bit damp still. Yeah, hopefully it dries up well and I can use it again. Also, the fake eucalyptus, great, because it looks pretty real. and you can wash it. It does have like this little bit like white powder on it when you buy it, which make it look even more real. And of course, if you wash it, it's gonna come off, the white powder. But I don't know, maybe put some flour on it to make the white powder on it again. I don't know what it is, the white powder. But anyway, also great, reusable, awesome. I love the decor, the way we had it, and I am offering an album for these clients. What we're going to do is, well, what I'm going to do, within 2 days, I'm going to send the clients a preview. I make a little video with 8 photos, some music, name of the baby, zoomed in, zoomed out. I make it in iMovie, not that special, but they love it. So within 2 days they get this video. The music is very soft and emotional. Then within a week they receive the link to their gallery. 5 images are included in the package. They can give the images that they want a heart in the gallery, and then I'll receive like a notification. I will send them an email. Okay, are you done picking your favorites? And then I send them through WeTransfer, high resolution in color and black and white. They can order more images if they want. So it's not like I'm giving out unedited images or like all the clicks I took during a session. I do make a smaller selection of like 25, 30 images. I edit them, I put my logo on it in the gallery. Okay, so the package just came in from Nphoto with the first albums. I can show you at least 2, because one is like a private session, so I can't show anything, but 2 I can. So here you see, it says the Light Album Exclusives 20 by 20. So they're packed individually. It's quite a thin album, thinner than I thought. I thought it would be like a padded cover. It seems pretty flat. Is it padded? Maybe a little bit. Okay, so this one I can't show. So if I order one, I can just have it sent straight to the clients. Or I can have it here and then repackage it. So here you see the cover. It looks very thin, but it's okay. So it's very sharp. The quality of printing is super sharp. That looks really nice. I like it's like a lay flat. You can have a photo run on 2 pages. The paper is not super thick, but it looks really good still. So it's just a beautiful keepsake for the parents. It's great for the baby to have as well. The last page is actually glued onto the cover. I think same as the first. Yeah, same as the first page is glued onto the cover. So there's not like a white or creamy page in between. The quality is super nice, but the papers are still quite thin, as you can see. And it doesn't really feel like a padded cover. Like there's a lot of like pillowness, softness in the cover. I do like the linen quality. Let's open up the other one. I'm gonna reuse the bubble that it came in. I'm just going to repackage it maybe, I don't know. I have to see how I'm going to repackage it so it looks nice. So here we have another one. You see the photos are really sharp. It's cute.
for now I've wrapped the album in this like bubble stuff and then some like craft paper, and I'm going to get new business cards and new postcards for now, so using my old ones. And then it's just like a box that goes through the yeah, can be posted in the mail.
I ordered it from Nphoto. It used to be like e-print, whatever. Beautiful, very high quality professional albums, flat, lay flat pages, thick pages, matte, like a padded cover. So it's like a foam cover, but then with like linen. Beautiful. I order it, I have them send it to my house, then I repackage it beautifully with a business card, with some dried flowers, whatever, and then I ship it to their house. So of course you have double shipping costs, but I want it to look really beautiful. I want it to be like a really nice experience when they open it. I add a business card, they can hand it out. Beautiful. The album will be filled with at least the 5 images that they choose from the gallery, which are included in the session fee, because it's like 10 page, like it's like 5 spreads. So included is like, we call like 10 pages with 5 spreads. So I can have like the 5 images over the 10 pages, whatever. But if they choose more images from the gallery, I will include more in the album. If they choose all the images from the gallery, I'm not going to put them all in the album, but I'll just make like a smaller selection. That's the updates of now offering not just digital files, but an album as well. And I love it because you can touch it, you have it in your home, because sometimes I've had clients booking a session with me, coming back a year later, and I heard that they had done nothing with the photos from the previous session. They didn't order any prints, no album, no wall art, nothing. They're on the USB computer, whatever, hard disk, maybe on their phone. I mean, they can look at it every day. Maybe they have it as like a desktop picture, but it's so nice to have it in your home as well, in like an album. Baby can look through it with you when he's older. Creates memories as well, and they will love it. So, yeah. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Love reading your comments. Have a lovely day. You're awesome. Spread the love. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.